Hello amazing friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are told that a squared minus b squared equals 65, and we are asked to solve for a and b are positive integers. Okay, now first of all, recall that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And if a and b are positive integers, okay, if they are positive integers, now that simply means that a minus b should be less than a plus b. Okay, now let's go back to the question. The question says a squared minus b squared is equal to 65. Now this means that a minus b multiplied by a plus b should be equal to 65. Now let us look at possible ways that we can express 65. Now 65 can be written as 1 times 65. Okay, it can also be written as 65 times 1. It can also be written as 13 multiplied by 5. And it can also be written as 5 multiplied by 13. So these are the ways we can express 65. Now recall that a minus b has to be equal to a plus b. Okay, it has to be less than a plus b, sorry. Now that means that this one is less than this first number is less than second number, so we are going to take that. Here notice that 65 is greater than this, so we cannot take this. Here 13 is greater than the second one, so we cannot take this, and here this is less than this, so we take this. Okay, now it shows that we have two cases. Case one, we have that a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to 1 multiplied by 65. And for case 2, we have that a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to 5 multiplied by 13. Now let's discuss the first case. So for case 1, if we say that a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to 1 multiplied by 65, this simply means that a minus b is equal to 1. Let's call this equation 1. Then a plus b is equal to 65. Let's call this equation 2. Now, if we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, we are going to have a minus a is 0. Minus b minus plus b will give us minus 2b, okay, is equal to 1 minus 65 will give us minus 64. Now let us divide both sides. Divide both sides by minus 2. Okay, so if we do that, we have minus 2b divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 64 divided by minus 2. Now we have minus, we cancel minus 2, we divide this to give us 1. So we have 1 times b is equal to minus 2, we divide this to give us 32. So we can see that b is equal to 32. Okay, then from equation 1, a minus b is equal to 1, right? According to equation 1, a minus b is equal to 1. All right, so we have a minus 32 is equal to 1. Now let us add 32 to both sides. So we have plus 32 plus 32. Okay, so this we cancel this, we have a is equal to 1 plus 32 is equal to 33. So for case 1, this implies that a comma b is equal to 33 comma 32. Now for case 2, okay, so for case 2, according to our case 2, we have that a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to 5 multiplied by 13. So we have a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to 5 multiplied by 13. So this simply means that a minus b is equal to 5 and that a plus b is equal to 13. Now let's call this equation 3 and this equation 4. All right, so if we subtract as well, we have a minus a is 0. Now minus b minus plus b will give us minus 2b is equal to 5 minus 13 will give us minus 8. Now let's divide both sides. Divide both sides by minus 2. If we do that, we have minus 2b divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2. Now minus 2 we cancel minus 2, we have b is equal to 4. All right, so we have b to be equal to 4. Now from equation 3, a minus b is equal to 5. Okay, but a minus b is equal to 5. So it means that a minus 4 is equal to 5. Now let's add 4 to both sides. So we have plus 4 and we have plus 4 here. So this we cancel this, we have a is equal to 9. So this simply means that a, the second a and the second b should be equal to 9, 4. Okay, so this implies that a, b is going to give us 9, 4 and 33, 32. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.